Hey man, do you want some eggs?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Do you want some eggs?
Oh, sure.
And I got this pack of cigarettes too if you need cigarettes.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I do.
Okay, but it's gonna sting a couple days. Oh, so that's handy. You want a couple of them little flat jacks?
Yeah, sure. You don't get their password, do you, for the Wi-Fi? They have it.
Who? I love flat jack Smith second breakfast. Wonder if I turn the gas on if it'll help.
Watch that.
Yeah. Idiot. Oh, Dick. Oh no, look at that. First thing I do, grab a white shirt and muss it up. Hey Pug, love the videos. Long time subscriber, you goof. Made this for you. Hope you get a kick out of it. Keep up the good work, you ginger goof. Please open on a Saturday video so Tippy can get a kick out of it too. Peace. Love the chicken... Love the chicken grease, you goof. Oh, Mickey likes me. Yes, I don't see my name in the credits. Maybe I'm a goof and don't see it. From your Patreon Goof Tim. Good Lord. Camp Charlie. Ugh. Got a Camp Charlie fucking shirt. Oh yeah. Oh, that looks too big. Anger. Oh no. Oh no. We got 2 blacks and a chrome. Even talked to the guy on the phone. Oh no. And they're not key to like. Just a fucking idiot. So we got 20 on these ones and 50 on these ones.
That roadkill episode is life-changing.
Which one?
It's like crack.
Which one?
Dirtfish. You watch it once, if you don't watch it 7 times in a row, I don't know.
Dirtfish?
Dirtfish. Dirtfish is a rally course. They train people to rally race in. So what they did, they took the 69 General Mayhem, because they modified the out of it. And yeah, so they're going around the track in a 69 Charger. Full Dukes, it's the General Lee 01. It's the real thing. And it's literally put to the floor, but here's the best part. So, it's roadkill. So, the tank is leaking like a mother. There's gas pouring over. Then, the transmission don't work, so what do? They're like, Freiberger's like, hey, you get a choice. First, second, or third? I think we're gonna go with second, right? He's feeling second. So they got only second gear, a leaking tank, and it's the best driving I have ever imagined, let alone seen. These boys look like they're amateurs compared to this shit. They had that car so fucking sideways. It's just, you should give them an award just for being that fucking good.
Right.
I've never seen the General Lee do shit like that in my life. It's amazing, man. Like they're going around corners completely full Duke sideways through the mud puddles. Water's coming pouring in through while they're going sideways. Keep going. Then he comes out around the straightaway. He's just a fish tailing like a mother. Could barely control it, but they kept it in line the whole time. The finish was absolutely amazing. It was just, if you spent a gazillion dollars, you couldn't have done any better. It's that good. It's that fucking good. Even at Freiberger at the end of it, said, like, he's just so excited, right? He says that's the best driving he's ever seen. It's the best passenger, and it's the best day at work.
Nice.
It was just beyond pro. I can't believe it. That's what he said. If I had it, I'd show it to you. If I had the internet, I'd have to show it to you. Second gear, holy tank. I mean, gas other than that, I'm going to be trying. And fucking Freiberger's like, Finnegan's looking like, yeah, what do we do, right? Freiberger's like, let's do it.
Step aside.
He's like, let's fucking do it. Second gear, I can feel second gear, we're doing it. And then Freiberger's, or Finnegan's like, I like your confidence. I love your confidence.
Right?
Then they try it. Nobody was expecting that.
No.
Oh, fuck, it was good. Then they had one episode where they had this is after the outtakes. They had they were going to give away a car. They had to go to this bar out in the middle of fucking nowhere.
Oh, what'd you find, Tippy?
Right? So, probably worst piece of shit poker ever.
Yeah, you gotta fucking take the spark plugs out when they break off in there and just run a bolt in there and disconnect the fucking
Yep.
the injector. F it. She's a 7-cylinder now.
Yeah, I had the tool just because I know, right? I have the, you know, the special Ford extraction tool and all that. Oh, thank you. And that motor, man, the first words out of my mouth is, if you buy it, don't bring it to me. But as a stock motor, you're done. You're fucked 100,000. That's all you get. You're done. So after he's done cutting about $300 worth of shit, at 9 o'clock on Canada Day, he's like, I want to put my flag up for Canada Day. I'm like, dude, it's 9 o'clock. It's almost over. By the time you get this done and you wreck the $300 worth of shit, it's gonna be 12 o'clock. Like, if I want to wipe my teeth, I can do it in 10, 15 minutes. Anyway.
Wipe your teeth?
Right?
Like you wipe your teeth like you wipe your ass?
Bleach. You can if you mix it the right way, you can bleach it. You can take a buffer, you can take a goddamn buffer and a grinder and buff them so they're perfect. You can do whatever you want. Like, and
good lord.
You take them out, you don't get your teeth knocked out.
Yeah, they're already knocked out.
I told him I've never been so direct with somebody in my life. Like I wasn't like an asshole to him, but I made my point very clear. I was like, buddy, try living and try having a dating life with no teeth.
Yeah, try sucking a guy off. You know, can you trying to suck a guy off? You got to pull your dentures out, and then he won't stop. You know what I mean? Guys won't fucking leave me alone now.
Okay, now you do have a point there. Yeah, like I said to him, like, if she's getting more crazy here by the minute, guys, you gotta, you need to put those cherries on and get down here.
Oh.
And an hour and something later, oh, it was almost 2 hours later. And he was like, who in the puts 10 truckloads of fucking garbage in the fucking dirt and fills it to make a cement pad for a fucking
But that was your old lady
net.
that did that?
Yeah, she's not stupid either. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like, I literally, I'd have almost jumped out of a minivan. She got that crazy one day. And if she would have slowed down, I would have.
You're just going a little too quick.
I actually spent, I lived in this shop, I think, a week or two after that. Her kids took her dildo and traded it for somebody's mom that had a goldfish. She stole the dildo. I took it for this.
That sounds awesome. Yeah. Yeah. Can I get a pair of toast?
Yeah. Is this an RV tank?
Well, it's a grumman tank.
Yeah, but it's an RV tank.
Well, they all have vents on them, right?
Oh, that's just your. Oh shit. Okay, no, I was thinking of my tank because mine has the vent here and shit.
Oh, I'm pretty sure everybody watching this is significantly stupider from having to listen to that, and I apologize. But check that out. Oh my goodness, we got the firewall all welded up there. We do. But on a more positive there, friggin' dirty old Jim's got a new friggin' rap video out. Friggin' probably find the link in the prescription there. Friggin' go check that out and shows them the love, you know what I mean? But anyways, boys, I quit. It's late as frig, and I had to listen to all type of stuff, so beg my pardon.